Ooh, whoa. Welcome, man. Oh, my goodness. Welcome back to the channel. Oh, y'all see what I see? Holy crap. It is raining, guys. Oh, my goodness. Okay, there goes my plan. Y'all see the leaves, right? Now, the plan was, so I got to make sure HOA know this. The plan was to rake the leaves. Oh, my goodness. It is raining hard. Well, so much for that. Oh, my goodness. If I had to guess, guys, I'd say about 65 degrees, close to 70. All right? Yes, and I know about the letter that was on the door. And I think my neighbor was complaining. Okay, his yard is squeaky clean. And mine's got leaves everywhere. And this tree don't even have leaves on it. So where are the leaves coming from? Right? Look around, guys. There's no leaves on none of the trees. So are we done? This is, to me, this is the best time to rake the leaves. When the trees are done. Like my backyard, the trees are not really done. Look up there. I don't want to put my lens up there, rain get on it, but I got leaves everywhere back here. Now HOA don't come all back here. They just want to make sure the visible stuff is nice and neat. Look at them gutters in action. Yeah, I just spent all that money on these freaking gutters. Y'all remember the squirrel incident? Yeah, don't talk about them squirrels because we got some sensitive, I have some sensitive viewers. That's not funny, JT. All right. This rock was here when I got here. And you know what? It's going to be here when I leave. Guys, I got to go to plan B. You know what plan B is? I ain't raking no leaves. I'm finna hop in this junky van. It's my work van, guys. Don't talk about it. I had one guy in the comment section, man, clean your damn van. I said, clown, shut up. This is a damn work van. It's supposed to be junky. That's the journey my daughter drive. So, I don't see nobody out here. What is going on? Where is that? Today is Christmas. Y'all believe that? Now, again, guys, I don't want to offend anybody by saying Merry Christmas to everybody, so I won't. I will just simply say enjoy your holidays. Okay, how's that? All right, so let me go get a jacket. Let me go reevaluate my plans for the day. They gone. They went to I don't know where they went. Look, man, no snow, no ice, no nothing. It's not even freaking cold, so it don't really feel like Christmas. All right, so I don't know, guys. I'm gonna go in the house. I'm gonna evaluate my plans, guys. So I'm gonna go in here and grab a jacket and get this Santa. Now I'm gonna leave the Santa hat on because I'm kind of cool. I'm tripping, man. Let me go. Y'all hold tight, man. We gonna talk some more, man. We better hop in this work van and go take a trip. How about that? All right, y'all hold tight. I'll be right back. Alrighty, yo, what is up? You better start up. I don't play that, man. Listen, man. So y'all know my plans are shot. It is raining outside, all right? HMO, HOA, whatever the hell y'all call them. They sucks, especially this one. But, guys, I'm going to plan B. Y'all know what? I don't even know what plan B is. We finna take a ride, though. And we're going to talk about let me turn this around. Now, there are no cars on the street. I think Uncle Mark asked me yesterday, do HOA allow you to park your cars on the opposite side of the street? I don't know, but I might have got a red flag for that yesterday. I don't know. Yesterday was Christmas Eve, so I don't know if the guy was riding around a lot. Now, guys, I will say this about this community. There is absolutely, I haven't had to deal with absolutely any theft whatsoever, any kind of robbery or any kind of burglary or anything like that. So from that standpoint, I can appreciate that, right? You cannot, there's not an amount you can put on a peace of mind. All right. Now, I don't know, are they weeding out the criminals? How can you weed out criminals? Criminals are everywhere, right? Everywhere. So I'm not sure my money is going toward that. But however, $350 every quarter seems like a bit. Okay, so I got like one more year. I'm gonna try to hang around this place, guys. I can't be in the profession that I am and live in such a stricken driven area. All right, I'm a mechanic. I'm a dirty mechanic. All right, there are some things I want to do that will earn me revenue that I can't do. Okay, I can't take a car inside my garage and hide it and work on it in there in hopes of HOA not seeing. So now, like I said earlier, there are some good pointers to HOA and there are some bad. All right, I think in my line of work, I'm not cut out for such an area. How about that? So if you're an office guy, clean cut office guy to go to work with suits and ties and your nails and everything clean all the time, yeah, you can live over there, all right? You won't have no trouble. You will get no letters on the wall. I mean, it's leaves everywhere, but these are, you know, these homeowners own their own. I don't know. Overall, I'm happy because, again, I'm only 5 minutes away from every shop. I work out of 4 shops, right? Every shop I work out of is maybe a 5 to 10 mile radius between each other. All right, so my whole world revolves around this area. All right, now we all know the housing market is in shambles right now. Okay, so everything is jacked up high. So I could sell my house and earn more than what I paid for it right now. But where I'm gonna go? Okay, where are you gonna go? Everybody's getting these huge offers to sell their house, but in order for you to go find somewhere else to live, you're gonna have to pay extremely more for the house you really want. So what do? You either wait it out, or there's no or. You just simply wait it out. But the thing about that is, guys, none of us are getting any younger, right? Yeah, I may look like I'm getting younger and pretty and all that, you know. Yeah, I'm playing. Listen, but we're not getting any younger, so the decisions we make now will affect us for the long haul, the rest of our life. So, yeah, I have some decisions to make. Come 2024, I don't know, everybody tends to make New Year's resolutions and New Year's goals and set New Year this and New Year's that. One of mine is to I have simple goals. I don't have crazy goal. I'm gonna lose 20 pounds. I don't want to lose no more weight. I ain't trying to lose weight. Now, I diet for health reasons. I don't diet to lose weight. Like, I might go on a strictly seeded grape fast or a strictly watermelon fast. Those are for health benefits. But for some reason, you tend to lose weight when you do that. I'm not trying to lose any more weight, all right? But, you know, it's one of the offsets of doing that stuff. But my goal in 2024, that's why I'm going to do something with this video. It's going to be pertaining to HOA and the goals that you set for the new year, which is 2024. Here, my goals are simple, guys. I don't know, everybody different. My goal is this: simply be happier than I was in 2023. Yes, I want to be happier than I was last year. That's all I ask for, okay? Everything is on track, and I'm not, this video is not to brag on myself, but I am kind of proud of myself and what I was able to accomplish in 2023. Everybody would like for their, what is it, YTD? When you do your taxes, everybody would like for that number to be higher than it was the previous year. I succeeded in that aspect. Okay, so I made more money this year than I made last year. Guys, let's face it. I know everybody said money ain't everything, but money tends to be the driving force to a lot of decision-making process that we have to do for the upcoming year. So, you know, money, family trumps money, but at the end of the day, money is the driving force for all your decision-making. So, if I factored in the side work that I did that's not accounted for, you know, they didn't have to tell the government, they didn't have to do a 1099 or something like that. I did pretty good last year, right? It's tacky for me to give out an amount. I will not do that. That's tacky. But I hope that was you guys' goals. If you failed to reach that goal, try again this year. That's all you can do, man. Again, we're not getting any younger, all right? And your decision-making process has to affect your future. If you don't foresee yourself turning wrenches, I don't know how many of you guys out there are mechanics. If you're getting tired of this or your body can't take it anymore, start doing whatever you got to do to prepare for your next venture. All right. The end goal for me, now, I'm no Scotty Kilmore, right? And I'm definitely not a Scotty Kilmore hater. All right, y'all can do y'all. I'll leave that to y'all. Y'all real good at that. Oh, he's clickbait. He don't know what. Whatever, man. That dude channel. Listen, Scotty was able to shut down all his physical hard labor shops. He had a couple of shops, a couple of this, he was able to shut all that down and focus in on video creation. How freaking easy is that? So the audience he built doing all that is now intact. He can enjoy the fruits of his labor simply by speaking in front of a camera. What is he talking about? I have no freaking idea. Again, I'm no hater and I'm not about to turn into one. But that is my end goal. Now, I'm not physically impaired. So in other words, I can still yank out transmission engine. I can still work on cars. All right. But I see insurance adjusters come to the shop periodically, and I get in their ear and all that their job entails. Now I don't want to be, you can, it's okay to want to start out there, but at the end of the day, I want to own one of these insurance companies. All right, I have owner aspiration, not my own shop. When you own your own shop, you will have to do work. You will have to physical labor. All right. Now, from an insurance standpoint, oh no, the gym closed. Damn, I was gonna go to the gym. All right, so much for that plan. My whole day is shot. The gym is closed, guys. I thought they closed at 12. Anyway, your future, guys. That's serious, okay? So figure out what you're gonna do. But I'm gonna wrap this video up. Y'all know I hate these long videos, so. We talked about the HOA, the advantages and the disadvantages, and we're talking about my aspirations for years to come. All right, I'm still 100% physically able to work on cars, and I enjoy working on cars. So if you love doing what you're doing, then continue to do it. All right. So I'm gonna wrap this video up on this note. All right. I woke up this morning. Leaves on the ground, it's raining, and the gym closed. All right, so that's all I have, guys. We'll talk some more, man. We live streaming tonight. All right, 8 o'clock, we live streaming. All right, ain't much going on. Today, Monday, everybody celebrated Christmas yesterday, which was the 24th. So there you have it. I'll see y'all tonight at 8 o'clock. Stay freaking tuned.